Hello students, today in this class we learn about privacy of data in internet. So in general, privacy means the protection of personal information given online while carrying out some online activity or transaction. So in e-commerce, especially it is related to a company's policy on the use of users' data. So ethically, both the buyer and seller must provide the correct information to each other pertaining to the transaction that is taking place. So in general, whenever we are doing some transaction in e-commerce website, so buyer and seller must provide correct information to each other. So transaction can take place smoothly and securely. An e-commerce company must clearly state how it how it intends to use the customer's data collected this way, or whether the customer can restrict the use of personal information. So generally a e-commerce company define that how data will be collected and how it will be used, and user can restrict the giving their personal information. An important factor of privacy is the consumer consent, whether the consumer is given a choice to decide what information can or cannot be used for. So generally, whenever we doing a transaction, that consumer consent will be asked that data can be used or cannot be used and which choices. Usually, when proper security systems are in place, the user will not mind sharing the information necessary for a transaction to take place. So if our site is fully secure, then user generally share the data whenever transaction take place. But then consent will relate to whether the information can be further exploited. So how safeguard users privacy? How to safeguard users privacy? So to ensure that the user privacy is not compromised, following measures must be taken. So what are the measures? First measure is the merchant or seller must clearly state about how the user data will be used in terms of condition of its site application. So generally the e-commerce website company clearly write the terms and application whenever how it will be use the data and how data will be used. Second is the merchant or seller must ensure that the user has gone through the terms and condition of its site application prior to making any transaction. So before making any transaction, merchant seller clearly define terms and condition go through by the user. Third is the merchant must assure the user about data safety by implementing proper data safety and security measures such as HTTPS protocol and other security mechanism so that users data is safe from the hackers too. So generally the merchant implement proper data safety and security like HTTPS protocol. So in HTTPS protocol, S stands for secure. It means in this data site is secure and giving information is safety. And fourth is the user must go through the terms and conditions of the seller's merchant site before providing any sensitive information and make sure that site is a safe site by checking HTTPS protocol and a padlock. So the user must go through the terms and condition of the seller's merchant site before providing any sensitive information and make sure that the site is a safe site by checking HTTPS protocol and padlock. So these are the four major safeguards for user privacy. And today in this learn about what is privacy and how we can share informative sensitive information to merchant site and how merchant will be use this information and what kind of terms and conditions are there and what are the safeguard of users privacy. So we learned four safeguards and for user privacy.